Good morning. This is recording for Friday, December 26th. The reflection for today is gratitude. Thank you is the only true prayer, says Meister Eckhart. How many times do you remember your mother or father saying to you, be happy with what you have? How often did you respond by thinking, yes, but if only I had fill in the blank? You must learn the power of gratitude. Acknowledging your gratitude opens you up to unrivaled abundance. Finding the pleasures in each day helps you focus on joy, love, laughter, and passion, the pure blessings in your charmed life. Gratitude draws your attention to the graces of your blessed life. Thus, you find yourself placing your intentions on finding more, building from the riches that are discovering you already have. Every good teacher knows success builds success. It is the same with gratitude. The more you are thankful for, the more you will find to be thankful for. When you replace your current sense of lack with a newfound knowledge of your wealth and fullness, you will attract more. Gratitude equals abundance. As you become aware and fill your vessel with this precious commodity, beware. You will become increasingly content. And here's the big warning. Be open for the possibilities that present themselves to you. Whatever you wish will be yours, because you will have the tools to carry it out. Noticing details, finding joy, knowing your passions, and saying thank you. Most importantly, you will empower your spirit in you that the gods have been waiting for and placed in you. The power of creation of your dreams. Now take a comfortable position and take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. You may want to close your eyes gently or keep them open and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now repeat after me, silently or out loud. I am finding gratitude in each day. I am discovering the abundance that is in my life. I am living my dreams. I am finding gratitude in each day. I am discovering the abundance that is in my life. I am living my dreams. Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day to day, I invite you to continue with simply breathing and simply being. Let your mantra for today be I'm finding gratitude in each day. I am discovering the abundance that is in my life. I am living my dreams. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.